If you want to keep your financial records accurate and organized, recording expenses in Xero is an essential task. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to record expenses in Xero step by step, even if you have zero experience. Proper expense recording helps you track spending, manage cash flow, and prepare accurate reports. To get started, log into your Xero account and go to the Business menu. From there, select Bills to Pay. This is where you can record expenses that you need to pay to suppliers. Next, click on New Bill. Enter the supplier's name, invoice date, due date, and reference details. Then add the expense items by entering description, quantity, unit price, and selecting the appropriate account from your chart of accounts. Make sure to choose the correct account category, such as office expenses, utilities, or travel. This ensures your reports are accurate and well organized. You can also add tax rates if applicable. Xero will automatically calculate the total amount including tax. After entering all the details, review the bill carefully. Once everything is correct, click Approve to save it as an official expense. If you have already paid the expense, you can mark it as paid by selecting Make Payment and choosing the bank account used for the payment. Another way to record expenses is through bank reconciliation. If your bank account is connected to Xero, transactions will be imported automatically. You can match them with existing bills or create new expense entries directly from the reconciliation screen. You can also attach receipts or documents to each expense for better record keeping. This helps in audits and future reference. In short, recording expenses in Xero involves creating bills, entering details, categorizing expenses, and reconciling payments. Now that you understand the process, start recording your expenses in Xero and keep your financial data accurate and up to date. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.